So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to be teaching you guys how to download BlueStacks 5 on your PC. So laptop or PC, you can download this on Windows 10, Windows 8 or Windows 7. So the first thing you should do is go to Google Chrome, alright, and search bluestacks.com. So as you guys can see, you should search bluestacks.com, as you guys can see right here, and at the first, whichever link you see at the first, press on that link. So just press on that link and you will get to see this. So the first thing you will see is this, and you'll see the download options. So what you should do right now to install this is just press on download BlueStacks 5, and as you guys can see near the Windows logo, a new thing just popped up, and that means the BlueStacks installer has just been downloaded. So what you should do is, as you guys can see, there is an arrow right here. Just press on that arrow and click on open. So you should click open, and it will ask you this: do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? So you should click on yes. Don't worry, it won't do anything to your PC. So, and this interface will load up right now, and what you should do is just click on install now. Like if you want to customize the installation and you want to put it on some other drive, if you don't have like space in your PC, just press on customize installation and press on the folder and select whichever folder you want to download it on. But if you guys are having enough storage in your laptop or PC, just press install now, and you should have like some pretty fast internet to have this. So it is downloading right now. I'll catch up to you guys after it downloads 100%. So guys, as you guys are seeing, the downloading has just finished, and as soon as the downloading will finish, so as soon as what I was saying is, as soon as the downloading will finish, you will get to see this file. So you will see extracting files right here, and let it extract the files. Don't disturb the app. Alright, don't disturb the app at all. I mean, nothing will happen, but you can minimize it or just let it stay this way. So after the downloading is, at first you will see installing, then it will slowly, after installing process, it will download it. So then after the downloading, you guys will see this right here, installing engine, these things. So it will extract the files, it will install engine, it will do it by itself. Just leave it alone. So you guys have to do more things after downloading this app also. So watch this video fully and let's carry on. So catch you guys after everything will be completed, bro. So guys, as you guys can see right here, the downloading is finished, and what you guys should do is, after this finishes, just press on the Windows icon, and right here you can see a settings logo right here. So just click on it. So you should go to the system where it says display sound and notifications. Just press on it. So as you guys can see, the display resolution. So if it is 1920 x 180, 1 second guys, catch you guys. So yeah, as you guys can see, I'm in the settings. So as you guys can see, it says here 190 by 180. in yours it could be like 1280 by 720p. In mine it is 1920 by 180. So that is the recommended one. If you guys want to like adjust it, just press on it, and if it says here recommended, just click on it. If it is changed, click on the recommended one. So after you guys check this, just see this once again, check it. If it is 1920 by 180, go to the BlueStacks, and as you guys can see here, there is the settings option in this also. Just click on the setting option and go to the display option, as you guys can see right here, and just click on 1920 by 1080p. So it will ask you to restart the app. Just click on restart now. It will close and open by itself, as you guys can see right here. It closed and opened itself. So right now, which step I'm going to show you guys, like should know this, because if your PC has 8 GB RAM or 4 GB RAM, so like just press on this custom MB, and if your PC has 2 GB RAM, click on 2 GB RAM. If your PC has 4 GB RAM, click on 4 GB RAM. If your PC has 8 GB RAM, then also you guys should click on the 4 GB RAM. And as you guys can see right here, it says 2 cores. So it depends on you. Like right now my PC has 2 cores. It is a Core i3 laptop. If your laptop is a Core i5 or a Core i7, like if it is a Core i7, you should select 4 cores. Like actually BlueStacks will do it for you sometimes, but this will already be selected by the BlueStacks to give you the best performance. So don't change this, just change this. You guys should know how much RAM your PC has. You guys should know that. If it has 8 GB, you should put 4 GB. If it has 4 GB also, you should put 4 GB. So if it has like 2 GB minimum, you guys can put it on 2 GB. So right now I have selected 4 GB. So let's change it, and it will ask for you to restart it. So you should restart it again. So just wait for it to load up fully. So if you guys haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So it has loaded up right now. So just go to the settings and check everything. So mine is correct. You guys can see right here. So if you guys want the best performance for the device profile, you should go to device settings, press on the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, and press on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. So and save the changes. This time it should not ask you to restart the app. If it asks you to restart the app, just restart it. So don't fiddle at all with this. So everything is set for me. So I'm gonna close this right now. So and what you guys should do is open Play Store, and it will ask you to sign in. So just press on the sign in option. It should load up like this. It should be loading. So sometimes it won't work for you. So you should put your email ID, and it will ask you your password. I'll do it off camera right now. So guys, right now which step I'm going to show you is pretty important. Like after you put your email ID and your password, this will show up. So just off that and press accept and done. and right now I'm going to install Free Fire. So F-I-R-E. So Free Fire, just click on install and it will start installing. It depends on your Wi-Fi. If your Wi-Fi is fast, it will install very fast. If your Wi-Fi is like a bit slow, it will install a bit slow. So guys, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and peace.